In the world of speed and precision, one predator reigns supreme. A master of strategy, a missile of the skies. Meet the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest, most tactical hunter on Earth. The Peregrine Falcon isn't just a skilled hunter, it's a strategist. Unlike other birds of prey, it prefers open landscapes, cliffs, mountains, and even city skyscrapers. Why? Because height gives it an unstoppable advantage. From this aerial throne, it scans the ground below, searching for its next meal. When it strikes, it doesn't chase. It dives faster than any living creature, clocking in at over 380 kilometers per hour, 240 miles per hour. This raptor outpaces fighter jets during descent. How does it handle such insane speeds? Its stiff, aerodynamic feathers reduce air resistance. Its nostrils have special baffles to control airflow just like jet engines. And then, the moment of impact. Speed alone isn't enough. A hunter must see its prey first. The Peregrine Falcon's eyes are 8 times sharper than a human's. Imagine spotting a rabbit from 2 miles away. This bird can do exactly that. Its eyes work like high-powered binoculars, locking onto prey with laser focus. Here's where the peregrine's tactics come into play. As it hurtles toward its target, it doesn't just grab its prey. Instead, it makes a split-second calculation. And then boom, a precise, mid-air strike using its talons like a fist. This hit is so powerful, it often knocks the prey unconscious instantly. Then, with a quick grab, the falcon secures its meal and flies off, mission accomplished. Believe it or not, peregrine falcons aren't just found in the wild. They've adapted to life in the city. Skyscrapers act like cliffs, and pigeons? They're the perfect urban prey. In fact, major cities like New York and London have thriving peregrine falcon populations, keeping the pigeon numbers in check. Even in the concrete jungle, this bird remains an unmatched predator. Speed, precision, vision, and strategy. The peregrine falcon is the ultimate aerial tactician. No other creature hunts with such efficiency at such breathtaking speeds. It's not just a bird of prey. It's a living missile, a master of the skies, and nature's greatest high-speed hunter. Did you enjoy this high-speed adventure? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more wildlife stories. Tell us in the comments which predator you want to see next. This is Did You Know? Bringing nature's wonders to your screen.